In this amateur video is a man, Dan Ajumi Minkaela, suppressed on the floor in a courtroom in Tibati, the Adamawa region, for stabbing a court official with a knife after the magistrate found him guilty in a case April 7 and rendered his verdict sentencing the accused. He was neutralized when he tried attacking the magistrate Amadu Manga. This incident raises questions on the security of magistrates and lawyers in and out of the courtroom in the Republic of Cameroon.
Our magistrates are not well protected in this country, even from amongst us the lawyers. They allow them to live like ordinary citizens. Meanwhile, as they're dispensing justice, they're supposed to have a special type of protection which is out of the ordinary. First and foremost, you go to our law courts, there's a lot of brouhaha and confusion in such a way that nothing seems to be controlled entering or leaving the court. Everybody moves out, moves in and moves out as he likes. You go to the magistrate's offices. They are there alone, and you see litigants move in and out. They don't know what might happen when they get into the magistrate's office. We see magistrates that don't even have cars. Take taxi with people, ordinary people, to go to their homes. And they're renting in the quartiers whereby they're exposed without even a guard or an orderly to make sure that it's well preserved because it dispenses justice.
In a country with a lot of laxity or no action taken by the state to guarantee the protection of magistrates and lawyers, these guarantors of justice must play safe before relying on the authorities.
Their own protection starts with them. They stop familiarity with population. They stop people having access to them easily without authorization. They stop dispensing justice that may be biased. They should do everything to ensure that people have confidence in them as people. Secondly, the state has an obligation to protect these guys too. We know, I remember in those days, the magistrates never used to move alone. They used to have always by their side a policeman or a gendarme officer to guard them because they need to be protected. Because no matter, even if they are biased or not, whenever justice is rendered, one person is always unsatisfied and that person can do anything. So we need to protect these magistrates all the time.
The knife man here, according to Barrister Julius Tabe, just invoked upon himself another trouble which could have heavy infringement. The court official was evacuated to Yaoundé for treatment. Barrister Julius, just like his colleagues, wishes security be heightened around and in the courtrooms, with the both parties and audience searched thoroughly to ensure they are not in possession of any deadly weapon.